Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today we'll be making a transforming beginner ninja star. So this is how they look like, this one and this one. And I'm going to show you how they transform. Look, first it will be like a circular shape. I'm going to open it. So it's going to be like a circular shape at first. And then we are going to close everything. And then like this, it will turn into a beautiful ninja star to play with. And this ninja stars are very cool to play, and this requires square papers, 8 square papers. I'm using sticky notes, and if you do two colors it will make them more cool, but it's your choice. And these ninja stars, I love them. They're so cool. So we could get a little look at them first. So in total, we're gonna have 8 of the pieces. I'm using 8 sticky notes. You could use any sticky note, or you could also do like a A4 sheet and then cut them into square papers. So you could do anything in the world. So I'm gonna put these aside. So now let's begin the tutorial, and no glue, no scissors needed. So let's start. So first of all, we're gonna take our sticky note or A4 sheet, square paper, whatever you like. I'm gonna use green color and orange color. So let's start. I'm gonna peel off my sticky note, and then we are going to fold our paper like this, like a triangle. Make sure the corner is meeting like this. So we have a triangle. Now we are going to do this over here. So we did this over here, and we will do this over here. So fold it into a triangular shape. So that, and then this over here. So it looks like something, and it's gonna be very easy to make. So we have a half line and a cross. We're gonna put this over here, so don't worry. So we're going to do like this, and now guys, you see you'll have a little line over here, and then take the corner, you want to fold it over there. Do the same with this side. You could fold any side, but make sure they're meeting. So I'm just going to go here. So right now we have this shape, like a trapezoid shape. So you could do. So now we have this little rectangle and a middle line. I mean triangle, sorry. A triangle and a middle line. We are going to fold it like this. Don't fold it like this, like it's the flap sticking out. Fold it like this. So it already folds, so we fold it. So right now, this part is a little tricky, but you could get the hang of it. So you want this part, you want to stuck your finger in it, and this line right over here, you want to place the finger here and create it, and press it down. It creates a little triangle shape. I'll make one more to see that you could concentrate, and then this middle line you could fold it. Now we have our first trapezoid, which means we have to make 7 more. I'm going to show you one last time, so don't worry. So we are going to put this over here. Open this over here. And this over here. This over here. Okay, now we have the shapes ready. We are going to fold the corners in the middle. So like this, we have lines all over. Fold it like this. In my next paper origami tutorials, I can also crochet, so this is a beginner friendly tutorial. I'm gonna show you this tricky part one last time. This is a line over here, it's a line over here, and then I'm gonna stick my finger, make sure the line is touching, and then I'm just gonna fold it over the line which is closest right here, and then I'm going to make a triangle, and then fold. Now we have gotten these two trapezoid shapes, and we want to make more like now it's 7 more left, and I'll meet you until the end. So bye guys. I'm not ending the video, I'm just doing this. So I'm going to make the rest, so you could make the rest, and you could always restart the video, so don't worry. Guys, once you made all 4 of them, and you want to repeat that in the next color, which is your next color. Mine is orange, yours is anything what you like. So I've made 4 right now, and I'm gonna 4 back, okay? Bye guys. And now I'm just gonna pause the video, and then I'm gonna make the rest of the 4. So you can make them too. And guys, I'm on my last one, so I'll meet you when I come back, and I'll show you the tricky part on the last one, so don't worry. So guys, you want to push this thing right over here. This is the tricky part. Push it, fold it, and then this middle line, fold it. So now we have done all of our 8 pieces. Now it's time to assemble them. The assembling is very easy. First, take anything. So you want to make sure this gap is open, the triangle gap. And then take another color or any color you like. We want to face it like this. So no of the open thing. We're gonna insert off here. So we got that. I'm gonna unfold this. I'm gonna fold it over here, and then the next one I'm gonna open the fold with we just fold. I'm gonna unfold that, and then I'm just going to, and now you wanna open this triangle space, stuck them in. So I hope you understand. And we're going to do them all for the rest of the pieces. I'm just gonna go with you guys. So the orange one, make sure the piece is like this, no open triangles. I'm going to put them in like this, fold it like this, unfold, and then fold it like this. Stuck them in. If this tutorial is not clear, please give a comment down below. I'll make it clear next time. So I'm gonna make sure it's facing like this. I'm going to stuff that in. I'm gonna show you this, and then stuck them in. So I'm stucking them in right now. So I stuck them in. I'm gonna show you one last time, so don't worry. And then I'm just gonna show you one last time. Make sure this right over here, make sure it's not the opening space. And okay guys, I'm gonna show you one last time. So like this. So right over here, and then I'm gonna put it like here, and then stuck them in. And my next tutorial will be a parrot and makes a butterfly. So butterfly is a part 2 and the part 1 is a parrot. So I'll meet you until the end. First do this. Once you reach the last one and the left flipper is over the right flipper, you want to slowly convert that into that left flipper and then close, and then we're gonna do that. And now you will see any colored line between those, and we're going to not insert it into one, we're gonna insert this, and then we're gonna remove the green line and insert it into that. So right here we have done. So I'm just going to close it, and if it's a little hard, don't worry, you could still close it. So I'm gonna meet you till the end if you close it, because this is gonna be a little. Guys, mine is a little wonky because I did the sticky part over here. But if you use A4 sheets, it's not gonna be wonky.